If you've ever wondered the secret to creating a cohesive look and feel throughout your home, from the bathrooms to the laundry and beyond, I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and welcome to our little slice of Cali Cool here in Sydney. Today I'm showing you how we've used Reece products to make the design of this home as functional and seamless as it is stunning. Let's start in this main bathroom. Now, small spaces need big solutions, which is where the Izzy by Zuster Cloud Vanity nails it. Not only is it Aussie made, but it's customizable. I just love the details with this vanity. There's the solid American oak timber legs and this gorgeous timber beading. Plus, it's got loads of storage, essential for a busy family. We've paired it with the Sussex Scala tapware in brushed platinum gold. It's a timeless design, made from 100% recycled brass and scratch resistant, so it's built to last. And now into the heart of the home, the kitchen. Every family needs a kitchen that not only works hard, but looks amazing. Check out this Memo Harper butler sink. It's made from fine fire clay, so it's tough enough to handle all the action, but still sleek enough to look incredible. And remember the Sussex Scala tapware from the bathroom? Well, we've used it here again in the kitchen, because repeating design elements and finishes throughout the home is the best way to create that cohesive thread that ties the look together. And now come through to the laundry. I love this laundry. It's got everything a family would need. And because it is so close to the kitchen, it was really important to repeat those same elements. So we've got the same gorgeous Sussex Scala tap and another Memo Harper sink, but this one is undermounted. This house is proof that it is possible to create a home that looks beautiful and works just as hard. From the bathroom to the kitchen to the laundry, Reece helped us bring this family-friendly space to life. We couldn't be happier with how everything's turned out. We hope you've enjoyed taking a little peek inside this home. Jump online to check out Reece's extensive range that can help you create a cohesive, seamless, and sensational look in your home.